Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn account recovery details, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your LinkedIn account recovery details, start by opening the LinkedIn website on your preferred browser. Log in using your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Settings and Privacy section, click on the Account tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Account Management section. Here, look for the option labeled Change next to email addresses. Click on Change to view your current recovery email address. If you want to add a new email address, select Add Email Address. Provide the new email address you wish to use for account recovery. Click on Send Verification to receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the verification email from LinkedIn. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the LinkedIn settings page. Now, you can set the new email as your primary recovery email if desired. To remove an old email address, click on Remove next to the address you no longer wish to use. Confirm your selection in the prompt that appears. Next, scroll back to the Account Management section and look for Change next to phone numbers. Click on Change to manage your phone number for recovery. Add your phone number if it's not already listed. For verification, select Send Code to receive a verification text. Enter the received code to verify your phone number. Now that your recovery details are updated, review everything to ensure accuracy. Once satisfied, simply log out and log back in to test your changes if necessary. You have successfully updated your LinkedIn account recovery details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.